In the land of snow and festive cheer, Santa Claus faced a problem severe. His sleigh had broken, he was in despair, and Santa needed a solution rare. Enter Bentley the elf, mischievous and bold, known for his antics, naughty and untold. Santa called upon him with a plea, "Help me, Bentley, for I'm in need."
Help, can you hear me? It's very quick. My sleigh's broken down. I need picking up. Help. Yes?
With a twinkle in his eye and a smirk on his face, Bentley set off at quite a pace. To Ramsport he ventured in North Wales afar, in search of a ride, road race or rally car. Santa warned him, "Stay out of trouble, my friend, for this task is important, I must commend." But Bentley, oh Bentley, he couldn't resist a bit of mischief and a playful twist. Off he travelled to the hills of North Wales in search of alternative transportation trails, to a place he knew quite like no other, a paradise for speed and smoky rubber. At Ramsport, the classic and vintage place, he arrived with a cheeky embrace. He found a red convertible, shiny and bright, perfect for Santa's Christmas flight. With a twinkle in his eye and a boisterous laugh, Bentley just wanted to take it for a blast. He raced through the workshop to help out a friend, showing the world he was more than just a seasonal trend. Bentley's laugh echoed through the fresh country air as he carried out the tasks with an energetic flair, in the efforts to save Christmas and rescue poor Santa, and of course, sharing his festive banter.
Thank you.
But as he prepared to take it away, Bentley's naughty side had something to say. He span the tyres, leaving skid marks behind. Santa's advice he left far behind. Santa may have worried, his sleigh left in despair, but Bentley's adventures brought laughter in the air. For sometimes a little mischief can save the day and bring joy and merriment in its own special way. So remember, my friends, when troubles arise, a dash of mischief can be often quite wise. And Santa, with a wink, will continue his task with Bentley's help. No question will he ask. From all of us here at Ramsport, we wish you the merriest of Christmases, a happy and prosperous 2024.